Hello, I'm hoping that this short video will help us to share a spreadsheet without spending ages trying to find a random filter set and left set somewhere by someone. Go to the View menu, select New. You'll now be in a temporary view. You can start filtering whichever columns you want as your own starter view. For example, to save your view, click Save. It gives you an automated view name. Select Options and rename your view. Next time you open this document, you can select View and then your own view, and you won't have to worry about any filters applied by anyone else. Thank you for watching.